The Primo can be preheated before it begins cooking. First, set your desired cooking temperature and time, then press the preheat button. Your set temperature and preheat will be shown on the display. Press start to begin preheating. The temperature will flash while the Primo is preheating. Once it reaches the set temperature, the Primo will beep twice and start a 5-minute countdown. 5 will be flashing on the display. Once you add your food to the Primo, press start to begin cooking. If you don't press start within 5 minutes, the Primo will automatically turn off.